How to turn off or on recommended communities notifications settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click Hub and go to the storylines and click settings, then scroll down until you find here is it, notifications, and then scroll down again. Now click recommended communities and we can turn it off. Just click none or just turn this one off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.